Protection. Flo-Water's EZ-Catch inlet protection is our patented products that adjust. This is our EZ-CatchMan. It handles manholes, beehives, etc. that are round. Two sizes handle from 15-inch in diameter to 37-inch in diameter. Adjusting, tabs in the corners go between the grate and frame, so you're not rebuilding the grate, you're working with it. Reinforced straps, you lift the bag out with. You don't use the frame even though they're 12 gauge. So you can reuse the frames again because these bags will Velcro off. There are overflows. So when you do get those big rains and you are catching more sediment, because we capture 91.6% of the sediment, you're eliminating that flood issue greatly. This is our EZ-Catch 1. Square rectangle grates. They adjust both ways. Again, overflows in the corners, reinforced straps for lifting, Velcro the bag off, reuse the frames after a 16, 18 cleanouts, once the fabric gets soil laden. This size, our EZ-Catch 2, handles the 18-inch by 34-inch up to 32-inch by 48-inch. So you can get your 2x3s, your 18-inch by 36-inch grate. Two sizes are going to handle 90% of your grate sizes. 192 gallons a square foot a minute, 91.6% sediment capture. Pretty impressive. It's completely under the grate. You don't have anything sticking up.